welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2018 Jaguar I-PACE SE. This car's key features include the Indus Silver metallic paintwork, a heads-up display, a 360-degree camera, this fixed panoramic roof, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Around the front of the car, you can see we've got LED headlights along with gloss black trim. The car sits on these 20-inch silver alloys. Around the side of the car, you can see we've got the gloss black trim once again around the windows and at the bottom of the doors, with the Jaguar and SE badging down below. And to the rear of the car, you can see we've got the chrome badging along with LED tail lights and a gloss black trim down at the bottom. Now this car is powered by an electric motor, making 395 brake horsepower. Now obviously this car's an electric, so it has an automatic gearbox and the power goes to all four wheels. More features of this car include a Meridian Sound System, electrically adjustable front seats with memory for both the driver and the passenger, the black leather upholstery, this leather multifunction steering wheel, interactive driver display, this Touch Pro infotainment system which includes a configurator for the ambient lighting, along with navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, in-control apps, and of course Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as the 360 cam, this car also comes with park assist. And just below there you've got this secondary screen to control the climate. And just below there is the switches for your driving modes, which include dynamic, comfort, eco, and rain, ice and snow mode. That's our 2018 Jaguar I-PACE SE.